So welcome to this course, guys. I want to thank you for purchasing the course. And in this first video, I want to talk about why we should learn RISC-V assembly. Now, if you purchase this course, it means that you already have some intrinsic or extrinsic motivation. Maybe you're a student, who has to learn RISC-V course. Maybe you're an engineer looking to get into RISC-V. You want what RISC-V is about. My aim in this course is to teach you everything you need to know in order to learn RISC-V assembly. So why should we learn RISC-V assembly? Now, there are many reasons why we need to learn RISC-V assembly. One of the first reasons is that it gives us total insight into the operation of the machine. Now, what separates a good engineer from a world-class engineer is really the understanding of the depth of the machine. When you learn assembly, you understand the total depth of the machine you are working with. One of the other reasons is the power it gives us over the machine. Now, assembly is a dying art, but assembly language programming is a powerful skill. The ability to understand the language of machines down to that level is truly an amazing skill that is sadly disappearing, but is needed and gives us a lot of power over computing machines. Now, the third reason you might want to learn RISC-V assembly is for disassembly. Assembly language knowledge will remain an important skill set for anyone working with RISC-V assembly in the foreseeable future. The reason is that RISC-V simply hasn't been around long enough, like on ISAs, to have had time to mature to the point of having highly complex libraries. So what you'll be doing with RISC-V assembly is looking at existing libraries, probably the disassembly of existing libraries, and try to optimize it for the RISC-V architecture. The fourth reason we really want to learn RISC-V assembly is because for the purpose of reverse engineering, which kind of ties into our disassembly point. So when you learn assembly, you could really reverse engineer other programs, and you also have the ability to look at disassembled programs and look for errors, patch security vulnerabilities, and perform other elite engineering tasks. This is a very important skill that's needed in the world today, and as the RISC-V architecture becomes mainstream, we will need a lot of people who have the ability to reverse engineer existing software.